Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can find out your Windows information like your Windows name, your RAM details, your Windows version details. If it's 64-bit or 32-bit, then this video is for you. You can easily find that information from your settings. So you can do two ways. That you can right click on the start icon and you can find the settings here, or you can find the system, so directly you can get into the system, or otherwise you can do is you can go to the settings. So like this, you can find the home section here. Now you can find the system option in Windows 11 at the second option, as the second option from here. Now here is the system that you can find. They are showing you details about the display. If you click on it, then you can find the display from here, where you can find all the details about your display, all the settings about your display. Now you can simply click on advanced detail display. Now you can find all the display details from here, that 8-bit display, how much is the resolution here, the refresh rate, and you can also find the response rate in another section. You can find more about the response rate. You can set the response rate from here, like refresh rate here actually. Now from here you can go to the system again, and simply you can go to the about section here. Here it is, we are on about section, so where you can find all the details in depth here. Like at the very first, let me explain everything from here, like the storage, how much storage is actually installed in this PC. Like I have 1 GB, but it's showing that 932 GB. That is only actually the usable, and the rest of the storage is for the system, this Windows 11 system and my PC system data. So we can actually use 932 GB. And here is a graphics card that is 6 GB here, that multiple GPUs installed. For example, the CGPU and iGPU and the main GPU graphics card here. Then installed RAM we can find in total 32 GB, and the processor details here also, that and their speed, that 3.20 gigahertz. Now here is you can find more details like device specification. You can copy it and paste it anywhere that you want, but if it's not showing, that you can find like this, you can simply click on this arrow to expand this section, and you can find all the details from here, like the device name here, then processor here, all the details about the processor, the installed RAM here, then the device ID you can find, and the product ID also. Then the system type, you can find the system type from here. If there is a pen or touch here, no, there is no pen or touch input is available for this display. So you can find the system type here, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So you can use all the 64-bit application on your system. Also you can find the Windows specification. So the edition is Windows 11 Pro, and the version is 24H2, installed on the date here, OS build here, and all the experiences from here. Also you can find product key and activation from here also, just like this. So from here you can find all the details about your Windows system. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.